Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Today, Anna is going to tell you about her house. She is happy to show you all the rooms. Let's go inside and see what's in her house.
Hello, my name is Anna. This is my house. Let's go inside and see my rooms. This is the hallway. There is a door. There are shoes. There is a coat and a mirror. I take off my shoes here. This is the kitchen. There is a fridge. There is a cooker. There is a sink and a table. I cook food in the kitchen. This is the living room. There is a sofa, a TV, and a lamp. My cat sleeps on the sofa. I watch TV here. This is my bedroom. There is a bed, a lamp, and a wardrobe. I sleep in my bed. It is quiet and warm. This is the bathroom. There is a bath, a toilet, and a sink. I brush my teeth here. I wash my hands every day. This is the dining room. There is a big table and 4 chairs. We eat breakfast and dinner here. It is my favorite room. This is the garden. There are flowers and a tree. There is a chair and a ball. I sit in the garden when it is sunny. My house is nice and cozy. I love my kitchen, my bedroom, and my garden. My house is my happy place. Now it's your turn. Tell us about your house. What rooms do you have? What do you do in your house?